Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is an attempt to find software that will activate my casiotone LKS50250 because the default software for this device doesn't actually activate the software. Casio's software is broken. At least I've not been able to get it to work. So I was looking at Video FX. I think that's the name of this application. And I've already loaded a MIDI file. I'm not going to bore you with the whole setup. I've already got the MIDI file loaded. I've named the project. And now in order to see the visualization, I click on Edit. And when the music starts to play, it should actually play to my, right there. I have to reset it to the Casio, which I've connected to a USB-C with a converter to USB standard, and then over to a USB micro. The casiotone does not have a MIDI port, and it doesn't have a USB port D, just a micro USB. So now when now that I've, interesting, it's reset to, okay, now it's set to the Casio USB, and when I click on Edit, I should get the sound out of the keyboard. Here we go. And no, it's not, yeah, okay, there it is. Sorry, volume problem. But you can see it doesn't light up the keyboard. And that's all well and good. Now, there doesn't appear to be any kind of way of controlling the speed of the MIDI file itself. And actually you see this, it actually defaulted back to the Windows, which is kind of annoying. So it doesn't seem to remember the choice. Microphone, it doesn't allow me to pass details either from the keyboard to VFX either, and I'm not even sure what that is. But there it seems to be what it does. There's a bunch of visualizations if that's what interests you. I was interested in finding a way to get this input here to talk to the keyboard over here. Now, that being said, there is an LED controller option down here for an Arduino port, COM3 in this case. I don't know how these LED controllers work on modern computers unless that Arduino port is coming in off of a USB. I'd have to investigate that a little more. There's no option to view anything about this. Oh, here's the I button, so I'm assuming that's going to tell me something more about this application. And it loads a web page, pianovfxmanual.com. Take a look at that. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.